Internal Revenue Service. How may I assist you?
I received a voicemail to call this number about a lawsuit or something.
All right, sir.
Uh,
When did you receive the voicemail, sir?
well, it was earlier this morning. I just got home. I went out for coffee and I came home and it was there. I don't know.
All right, all right. So thank you so much for the call. You have reached Investigation Department of Internal Revenue Service. We are
Hmm?
calling you from Internal Revenue Service headquarters located at 1111 Constitution Avenue, Northwest Washington, D.C. And your call has been connected with Agent Andy Delaney. My name is Andy Delaney,
Andy
and
Delaney?
my yep, sir,
Andy Delaney, okay.
and
So
my
what's the
federal
problem
page
here,
ID.
Andy?
Yeah, I will provide you each and every information. First of all, am I talking with Mr. Norot?
Yes,
Would you like to verify me your first name, sir?
Joshua.
Joshua the Norwood, right, sir?
Right.
All right, sir. You please hold the line for a moment. Let me check out my system, okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, that's great. Thank you for holding the line, Mr. Norwood. And this is Agent Andy on the line. Now, Mr. Norwood, I
Yes.
want I want you to write down my name, my federal page ID number, and your cash file number. So can you please grab a pen and a piece of paper?
Yeah, I got one right here. Go ahead.
All right, as I told you, this is Andy Delaney. Can you please write down my name?
I did. Andy Delaney.
Okay, and my federal page ID number is IRM. I as an antenna,
Okay.
R as a Romeo, M as a Mike, 19364. And Mr. Narot, my your cash file number is C as in Charlie, F as in Frank, N as in Nancy. That is CFN 1901.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Uh-huh. Okay, now Mr. Narot, the reason you receive a call from Internal Revenue Service Investigation Department is just to make you aware that there are some legal allegations and a lawsuit has been filed against your name, and
A
there is a
lawsuit
non-bailable
for
arrest
what?
warrant.
Lawsuit for what? Warrant for what?
All right, Mr. Joshua, your name is listed, or your name is already listed as a primary suspect by the Internal Revenue Service concerning evasion of federal tax and federal tax fraud.
No way.
So, did you file your federal income tax for the year of 2016 or not?
Of course I did.
Okay, sir. If you are not aware about the situation, then let me just go ahead with the information that the Internal Revenue Service Audit Department have conducted a confidential and a random audit onto your tax file for the last 5 years. That would be 2012 till the year 2016, as IRS used to conduct a random audit after every 5 years. And we found that there are some numerical miscalculation error on the tax which you have filed, and it doesn't match the tax record that we have, and that unusual figure is actually heading towards our system. So that is the reason
The what
there are
system?
pressing for
I didn't hear what system you said.
what system?
You said it hit a system. I didn't know what kind of system you're talking about.
No, I didn't set any system, okay, sir?
Okay.
No. Because of that reason, there are pressing for serious criminal allegations under your name under Chapter 13, Section 37C of Internal Revenue Code, and those are count 1, violation of Internal Revenue Code, 2, violation of federal tax regulation, 3, thief by deception, and lastly, willful misrepresentation of information to the government organization. Now, Mr. Joshua, because of this four criminal allegation, at this point of time, there is a non-bailable arrest warrant issued under your name.
No
And
bail.
once you get arrested,
No bail? Did you say no bail?
once you get arrested, the IRS will mark an Line on your assets, including your house, your car, and all your non-banking accounts will be frozen and confiscated. Your driving license will be cancelled. And not only that, you may also face a federal imprisonment for up to 5 years. Now the total outstanding amount against your name is $5,986. That includes your pending taxes, legal charges, late fees, and the court resolution fee. So, did you do this intentionally to defraud the federal government, or it was an honest mistake?
Well, no, it was kind of a mistake, I guess.
Alright, sir. So at this point of time, actually I'm a bit busy right now, so let me just transfer the call to the senior officer who have been assigned to in your case again.
Okay,
Okay, have a word with him and see if something can be worked out.
okay.
Thank you for holding the line. This line got transferred to Senior Officer Adam Jones. How may I help you?
I don't know, Adam. Andy sent me to you about my case.
hmm Okay. Could you help me out with the case file number?
It is CFN 1901.
Okay. And what's your name?
My name is Joshua Novo.
Joshua
Yes.
Norwood. Okay, Joshua, this is Officer Adam Jones from the Internal Revenue Service, Tax and Crime Investigation, and my batch ID, you can make a note of that. It's S as in Sam, P as in Peter, 90875. Okay.
875. Okay.
And I was informed by Officer Annie that you are innocent with this case file. You have not done any of the mistake from your side. So
That's
I hope you will
correct.
be honest with me on a recorded line. What I'm gonna ask you, you have to be honest with me. Please accidentally do not give me any false commitment because this recording will be served as an evidence in the courthouse of law. Okay?
Courthouse of Law. Okay.
That's right. So now, Joshua, I would like to know who prepared the taxes for you. Like you hired a CPA, accountant, or you do it by yourself
I
for the
did
last 5 years, from 2012 to 2016.
did it by myself. Good
You do
with
it by
numbers.
yourself.
Yes, I'm good with
Sorry,
numbers. I'm good with numbers. Yes, I did them myself.
you good with the, yeah, I can see that you are. If you are good with the number, still I can see that $5,986 is missing from your taxes. This is a miscalculated amount which you owe to the federal government right now. As we have just seen something suspicious with your tax file, we informed the audit team to perform a random audit against your tax file from 2012 to 16. And the audit team on the orders of mine, they investigated the tax ID for this 5 year. They come to know the taxes, whatever you paid it from your side, it was underpaid by you, which means you have miscalculated the amount by knowingly. And by this thing, you have also shown you have undershown your income or overshot expenditure, and also you have shown some overseas transaction also, which is not a good at time.
I didn't catch the
For
last
this,
part. No, I didn't. What?
you have undershown your income or the overshot the expenditure, which is lead to
I
known
still
as a
don't know what
criminal
you
offense.
said.
You
I still don't know what you
sorry?
said. I still don't know what you said. I don't know what I did
When
here.
you're filing a form in a WT column, okay, when you're filing a tax in a W form, maybe you did something, you hid something from your side,
I did
okay.
mine
So
on
that
the
is
I did mine on the WD-40 form.
that's right. I understand that, but you did a mistake in the box one, box 9, and a box 11. This is
Were
a
those?
three
Was that
box
the blue
where.
box? Was that the blue
Uh huh.
box on the
Uh huh.
WD-40? Okay,
I
I could
understand.
have.
Now the things is upon to you. Now on the recorded line, I need your statement whether you have done this thing intentionally or it's a mistake.
Okay,
What you did, it's a mistake or it's an intention
mistake.
done by you.
This is a
Alright.
mistake done by me.
Okay. On a
I
recorded
am
line,
not
as you
guilty.
have committed.
I am
Sorry,
not guilty. I'm not guilty.
you're not guilty.
No.
So what you like to do with this case file? That you want to fight with us in the courthouse by getting arrested, or you want to take care of the situation now?
Well, just soon do it now. I don't want to have to go to the get arrested. What are you
Sorry.
talking about? Getting arrested?
Yeah, because when we seen that this amount is pending under your name, the Attorney General, the High Court Department has informed us to file a lawsuit. When we file a lawsuit, we have to issue the arrest warrant under your name. And once the arrest warrant is issued under your name, we have to take in the custody for the verification, and that is a non-bailable warrant for you. But by
Oh
seeing a
wait,
good record,
no bail.
we yeah, no bail
Uh,
till
that's
30
not
days.
right. That's not
This
right.
is not a normal case, it's a tax fraud case. And when we have seen that you did a mistake with your side, we have checked your past records and we found that you have not never committed any kind of crime from your side. Am I right, Mr. Joshua?
Well, no, I've committed a few crimes.
That's right. You are a law-abiding citizen, and we want
Well,
that you
there
should
was
say,
that one burglary charge, but
yeah. Which
that got
what?
reduced. The burglary charge, but it got reduced to a trespass.
Did you taken
Um,
care of the things? Did you taken care of the things?
well, I'm still on probation for it.
You're still on probation, okay. Now the thing is like that, if you have given the statement on the recorded and that you are innocent with this case file, you don't want to go to the courthouse to fight with us, you want to rectify the situation with a good intention. The term resolving means you need to pay the entire amount on the immediate basis of $5,986, okay? Are you willing to pay a $5,986 as a good intention?
If I had it, I would, but I don't have that much.
Alright. I'll inform the Attorney General that you do not have the pay full amount of
Well, I got
$5,986.
I can come up with three.
Sorry?
I can come up with 3,000 right now. That's how much I got from the
Uh,
burglary.
I need to speak to the Attorney General regarding this matter that you are not financially stable. At the moment, you will be willing to make a payment of partial payment. Like
Yeah,
how much you can pay right away?
3,000, just what I got from the burglary.
Okay, and then if the remaining 3,000 will be put on a monthly payment plan, okay? Are you
Okay.
sure that you won't be able to miss the payment plan if we provide you a payment plan then?
Well, no, I can always do another burglary. I mean, they're easy.
Fine.
I
We'll
got
put
caught
you on
on
a
this
10
one
month.
because I made a little mistake. I made a little mistake.
Okay. Okay. If we provide a 10-month payment plan option, you have to pay in every month like $300 as a payment plan option. In 10 months, you will be going to clear the whole balance. Okay.
Oh, I can come up. I
Now,
can do that easy, easy.
okay, fine. So on there are some terms and conditions, Joshua, which you need to follow my instruction because it's we are bound by the law. On a recorded line, I'm not gonna ask you any of the personal information like your bank account information, not your credit card information, not your debit card information, and not even a PIN. I'll be the only person who will be going to guide you step by step. You need to take a trouble to go to the nearest ATM, physically to the EFTPA store where you have to
To
convert
the
your payment in the
to
electronic
the
way.
what
Okay?
store? I didn't hear that. What
Sorry?
store? DTFT Power R store. What the hell's that?
No, no, it is an electronic federal tax payment store. I'll be going to guide you for that. I'll going to give you the address. There you have to go. There you have to go and you have to convert your payment in the electronic vouchers which we affiliate with the many franchise companies. So you need to convert your payment in that pay electronic way
I
and then you have to register that ID under your tax and then once the Attorney General Department receives your payment and then we'll go ahead and cancel the lawsuit from you and today and once the lawsuit get cancelled and the warrant get cancelled we'll create a 10-digit cancellation number for you and give it to you and within 2 business working day you will be going to get uh, a no objection certificate. That means you are already taken care of the situation and you are not aware of the situation. When you came to know, you have already taken care of the situation and now you are having a good clean sheet from the Internal Revenue Service. Okay,
a clean chip. Okay.
that's fine.
Yeah, I want a clean
Now
chip.
I would like to ask you how exactly you have this kind of funds with you. Like, is it with you in cash or is it within a bank, say in checking or
Nah,
savings?
people like me
Sorry.
don't use the bank. I got the money here.
Okay, so you got the money in cash.
That's right.
Okay, exactly where are you right now? Let me know that so that I can find a location nearby your place
I'm at home.
at your home. Okay, could you help me out with the current zip code so that I can
Zip
find a
code is
location nearby your place?
29601.
Just a second, okay? Okay, give me like a minute. I'll find a location where you can go. Do you have a car with you to travel from one place to another place?
Yeah, I got a car. What do I need a
Okay.
car for?
Do one thing. Is your cell phone has a enough charge?
My cell phone have enough charge. What for?
So okay,
You're
so
losing
once you
me
get
here,
in your
Andy. You're
car,
losing me. You're losing me quickly. What do I
yeah,
need
sure.
my cell phone
Uh,
for?
once you get in your car, put your cell phone on charging, okay, so that we should not get disconnected because Till the time you won't get a 10-digit cancellation number from my department. If we get disconnected, it will create a problem for you. So make sure that in this conversation, in this entire conversation, we're not gonna lose the connection, okay? And also this recording will be served, and I need to record the entire conversation too. So make sure that we should not get disconnected. So take your driving license and a pen and a piece of
Take a
paper,
driving lesson.
okay? Yeah, you need to take it because if in case you need to show them a driving license as identity proof, so you have to take it for along with you. Okay, get into your car. Once you sit in your car, just let me know that.
Where am I
Okay,
going? Where am I going?
I'll giving you the address. The address. Help me out with the zip code. I didn't remember your zip code.
29601.
29601. Give me like a minute.
Okay.
Okay, 29601. 29601. It's a 29601. The zip code is and nearby your place. Yeah, I can find nearby your place is. Can you write down the address for the
Yeah.
stores?
Yeah.
It's 1112 Woodruff Road,
Okay.
Greenville.
Green Billy.
Yeah,
Uh, uh,
and
what
zip
is
code
this
is
place?
29607.
What
Okay,
is this
it's
place?
on the two. This place, it's a federal store where you need to go over there. We are affiliated with the many franchise companies. You need to go over there. It's a store. The store name is Target store. Okay.
Oh, Target. I can't go into Target.
Here.
I've been
Hello.
banned from Target for shoplifting.
Sorry.
I can't go into Target because they've been banned because I got caught
It's a band.
shoplifting there.
Okay. All
I
right.
forgot to
So we
tell
have
you.
one
I
more
forgot to
franchise. You
tell
can
you.
go
I
over
forgot
there.
to tell you about that charge. Yeah, there was a little shoplifting incident. I didn't mean to do
Uh huh.
it. Stuff fell in my pocket. I walked out the door with it, and it was a bad situation. But anyway, I
Okay.
got
Fine.
banned. I'm banned from Target.
Okay. You're banned from Target. Okay. Fine.
Yes.
Can you? Is there any Walmart store nearby your place
Guess
where you
what?
can
I'm
go?
banned from there too. Isn't there like a
You're banned
7-Eleven
from.
or something I can go to? I'm not banned from 7-Eleven. I've had more problems than the
Okay.
mass buck with these charges around here. Hello?
Yeah, just give me like a minute. I drop an email to the Attorney General regarding this matter that you are banned from this store, so you won't be able to go over there. Give me like a minute.
Yeah,
I'll speak to
yeah.
the Attorney General. Just
Okay,
give me a
talk to
few
him.
minutes.
Okay.
Thank you for holding the line, Mister. Are you there?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
sure.
I'm here. Yes, I'm
Yeah.
here.
Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll give you the address. Have you seen a Bank of America? Yeah, it's a zero point 0.5 mile away from your place.
Yeah, yeah, it's right down the street almost.
Okay, so you can go once you reach at the parking lot of the Bank of America. Just let me know that so that I can give you the case details as well as the Attorney General's Department's account so that you can deposit $3,000 in that account. So that will be transferred as soon as possible to receive this payment in their way. Okay?
Do you think I'm that stupid?
Sorry.
Do you think I'm that stupid, you scamming bastard?
Hello. Are you
Yeah, what
are
do you
you
want,
playing with the
scammer?
federal office on a recorded
You're
line? Do you
not a
think that?
federal officer,
That's
you fucking jerk off. You're a scammer. Federal officer. You can't even speak English. You still there, scammer? What do you want? What do you want? You're not going to get no money out of me. There you go.